Comparing fractions. How can we use the greater than, less than, or equal to sign to compare fractions? Here we have the example 1/3 and 2/3. A great way to go ahead and solve is by drawing. We're going to go ahead and do the example 1/3 is greater than, less than, or equal to 2/3. The first thing you're going to do is write out the equation. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw our fractions. 1/3, I draw my square and my two lines, and I shade in one part, and I label that 1/3. Next, I draw my 2/3, and I'm going to go ahead and color in two parts to show that it's 2/3. And each part is 1/3, so you want to make sure to write 1/3 in each of the rectangles. We can easily see that 1/3 is less than 2/3. We clearly see that 1/3 is less than 2/3. Let's try this example. Is 2/4 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/4? So we're going to go ahead and draw out our fractions. So for 2/4, I make my square and I draw in my three lines. I'm going to shade in two parts. And for the 1/4, I'm going to draw my square and draw my three lines and shade in one part. And you can clearly see 2/4 is greater than 1/4. What if there are different denominators? How can we go ahead and compare? Here's a little hint. If two fractions have different denominators, the smaller the denominator, the larger the pieces. Let's take a look. Here you have 1/4. So I drew my shape, 4 pieces, shaded 1. That's 1/4. Here I have 1/2. I only need 2 parts, and I shade in 1 part. Which one is bigger, 1/4 or 1/2? Yes, you're correct. This is bigger. So 1/4 is less than 1/2. So to draw this, you first look at the denominators and you notice that it's different, but that's okay. We're still going to draw out our fractions. So you're going to go ahead and make your square, 3 lines, shade in 1/4. Same thing, draw out your square, make 1 line, and shade in 1/2 of it. So our answer is 1/4 is less than 1/2. Is 2/3 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/4? Again, you're going to draw out your shape. 2/3, I have my 3 parts. 2 are shaded in. 1/4, I have my 4 parts. 1 is shaded in. 2/3 is greater than 1/4. If you wanted to try drawing this out, we're going to go ahead and start off by drawing our square, 2 lines to represent the 3 pieces, and we're going to shade in 2 pieces. Same thing with 1/4, you're going to draw your square, and this time you're going to draw 3 lines to have 4 pieces and shade in just 1 piece. All right, we're going to go ahead and practice more on Toy Theater fraction strips today. Today we are comparing fractions. Click on the first option. Our question is 2/3 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/3? And the answer is 2/3 is greater than 1/3. Next question is 3/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 2/5. And the answer is 3/6 is greater than 2/5. Next example is 4/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 2/3. And the answer is 4/6 is equal to 2/3. Let's go ahead and do is 9/12 greater than, less than, or equal to 3/4. And we see that 9/12 is equal to 3/4. Go ahead and try some more examples. Have fun.